Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect Convertkit to WordPress. So we're currently on WordPress, and on the left sidebar where we have our options, we're going to go over to plugins. Here we're going to click on add new plugin, and right here at the top right corner we have the option to search for plugins. So we're going to search for Convertkit, and here we have 4 options from Convertkit. Now you have the option to install all of them, or depending on what you need, you could decide which you'd like to install. For example, the first Convertkit is for email newsletters, marketing, subscribers, and landing pages. The next option will integrate WooCommerce with your Convertkit, allowing customers to be automatically sent to your Convertkit account. Now the third option is for sign-up forms. So again, you get to select the one you need. So we're going to go ahead with the first one. As you can see, it's currently installing, and we're going to wait for a few moments for that to happen. And now, as you can see, it's installed, and all we need to do is to click on activate. And now, as you can see, the plugin is activated. And if you scroll down to your installed plugin list, you can see Convertkit installed. And so the next thing to do is to go under Convertkit and click on settings. And right here, you can see the option to connect your Convertkit to your WordPress. Now, automatically, it connects my Convertkit account with WordPress, and it's requesting access. So we're going to grant access to WordPress. Now, after that's done, you can see successfully authorized with Convertkit. Now, underneath this, you can see general settings. Now, this has your account name and the option to disconnect, which means it's indeed connected. And you have the option to create your first form, depending on the page or where you'd like to have it on your website. Whether it's in your pages, your posts, your templates, or anywhere else on your website, you can simply click here to create your first form. So this is how to connect Convertkit to WordPress.